and welcome back, everyone. I know it's been a while, but we did run into a few alterations with good old Virgo here. That's right, Virgo gave us a few hiccups here and there. I actually need to finish the video for an elephant that I did, which is pretty dope. I actually like how it came out. You should be able to see it in Instagram. I started just posting things on Instagram first, then YouTube, and sorry Facebook. I know I think the last time I put anything on Facebook, I believe was War of the Spark. It was when War of the Spark came out with the figures of Garuk, Ajani, Nisa, and was Chandra in there? No, she wasn't in the mix. But anyways, I'm sorry Facebook. I will update you probably after I post this one. Yeah, let's do that, because I do need to keep up to date with it. So Virgo, oh man, Virgo. I don't think that you and I are the best of BFFs, because Virgo, it's interesting. If anything, harvesting and new opportunities, metamorphosis. There we go, metamorphosing into a new outlook, opportunities, new directions, new paths, new or preparation for the winter to come. Overall, September was pretty interesting. I did have a lot of hiccups. Don't really want to get into it too much, but let's just say it's been a little bit stressful. This is a combination, the Virgo final image that I came up with. The photographs is actually two different pictures. One of a pretty cool looking bird, and I believe, looking at it now, I really do dislike the green tree in the background. It's like very, I mean, I know it's supposed to be out of focus, but it's like way out of focus, like too much out of focus. And then I guess they're like mushrooms growing on a tree that I took. Those mushrooms kind of look like I actually don't even know if they're mushrooms. They're probably like fungi or something. Yeah, they had to be fungi. I think that they're like dead. They look very crispy, almost like dirt. I think I put too much saturation in it, because it just looks very surreal. But then again, I think that's kind of what I wanted to go with. I know Virgo, I know you're like I think you're like an angel from what the little research, and I do say a little research Virgo, I kept seeing a bunch of angels. So I imagine Virgo is some type of angel, mainly the three wheat plant, carried by an angel. But I think the main symbol is the wheats, the little plants. I believe those are wheats. If I'm giving wrong information, I'm sorry, Virgo. Please don't come after me. I've had enough this month already. Please leave me alone. But let's I think it came out pretty cool. I actually think she ended up looking more like a fairy than an angel, which was not my intent. I got the pose I bought one of those little figures that like you move. It's like an artist figure, and you like move them around and get them into different like little poses. I forgot who recommended, some artist on the YouTube channel. It wasn't Jazza. I think was it Lavender? It might have been Lavender or hash brown, something like that. I don't remember. Anyways, it's a famous YouTuber artist. But I actually ended up watching the review and ended up buying one, and I use it now. It's pretty cool. Don't use it that much, but I'm definitely gonna have to use them a lot more often, especially because I think I want to do a ranger pose for Day Billions, because I'm about to beat it. Alright everyone, take it easy, survive the wrath of Virgo. Everyone be safe, take care, peace, love, and happy harvesting.